Welcome to my video on how to cache a WordPress website, and in a moment I'm even going to show you how to make it blazingly fast on mobile as well, as most websites have an issue with this. So before we begin, we will go over to Page Speed Insights. Just Google Page Speed Insights. You will get to this page, paste in your website's URL and click Analyze. This is how Google views your website and its speed. Now it gave us a score of 52 on mobile, which is pretty bad. In most cases, it's even lower than this. So we need to do something about this, as nowadays Google sees your website's speed as a ranking factor. So we'll go over to NitroPack.io. Make sure to just Google NitroPack and you will find this. Click Get Started. This will take you to the pricing page and we will select the free plan. Click Start and sign up with your details. And as you can see, you will get it for one website with 5,000 page views per month, which is more than enough for most websites. Once you've signed up, click on Sign In to get to the dashboard, and we will go to the Connect Your Website. Here you will get a site ID and site secret when you have added a website, just by adding the website URL. Give it a name, click Free Subscription and click Proceed, and you will get this. Make sure to have this tab open, as we will need it when we are connecting it to WordPress. So we're heading over to our website. We'll go into the WordPress dashboard. Click Plugins and add New. We will search for NitroPack. Once you find the plugin, just click Install Now and click Activate. Once that's done, we'll go to NitroPack and click Settings. And we will connect it together with the service by clicking Connect to NitroPack. And if it's your first time, you will need to give your site ID and the secret in order to connect these two together. I have already done it once, so all I need to do is connect it straight away. And once this is done, this is all you need to do with this plugin. Make sure that the optimization mode is set to ludicrous, or however you say that. And go back to your NitroPack dashboard and click on Dashboard to see that it's starting to inspect your website, it's booting up, warming up the services. That's a good sign that it's connected and it's working. Give it a moment and it will give you a page speed score. Now head over to the optimization tab as well, just to make sure that it has optimized all of your pages on your website. Now the last thing we need to do is to, of course, check that it did something for our website. So go back to Page Speed Insights and click Analyze. And we got a page score of 88 on mobile, which is pretty good. This number should be 99. It's on my personal website. This is most likely because our website in this demo is a demo website. Now go to your website, check it out, see that nothing is broken, it loads, and click around, click in the blog, for example. And as you can see, it's instantly loading every page, the home page, and it's amazing. But stay tuned, because in the next video I will show you how to back up a WordPress website manually. Always do this.